Good morning, my little sunshines. How are you today? Okay, guys, I am so excited for this video because I'm trying out another new brand and I'm beyond pumped. 2 items from their brand. So the brand's called Freck Beauty. They are known for their precious little freckles that they are able to replicate. And if you don't know me, I am here for a cute freckled look. I love freckles. Okay, so I'm gonna try out their freckles. It's called the Original Freckle by Freck Beauty. It's in the XL size because go big or go home. So we're gonna try out 2 things. We're gonna try out their Cheekslime lip and cheek tint. Oh, this is lip stuff too. In the shade Cuffed. They only have 2 colors for $22. It says it's a buildable lip and cheek tint infusion with liquid plant collagen. It blends effortlessly into skin for a multi-dimensional wash of color. It says just get that just frecked glow and find love at first blend with this first ever slime blush, which builds with ease and dries down to a matte finish for all day wear. It blends effortlessly into skin, lips, foundation, and even powder without cakiness or creasing, just visible radiance. And it's identified as a clean beauty brand. So here we go. We are gonna see if this sucker can layer on top of makeup, because I already have makeup on. So let's just go ahead and jump into that. And then afterwards, we're gonna try the freckles. We are gonna put a little dab here. Oh man, I did too much. Okay, this is really pigmented. This is what it looks like on the skin. It's very smooth. It is very slimy-esque. The pigment is there, but you can pull it down and make it more sheer. Definitely a product you have to work quickly with. Like you can't just like blend it, take a sip of coffee, and then go back to blending. Like you are like dedicated to this product, okay? So I'm gonna use my beauty blender. I'm gonna tap into the butt of it, okay? I'm like scared. Okay, so I'm so nervous. I'm on a time crunch. Okay, so we're gonna go like this. Dude, there is no time to waste, guys. That's my blush. Cute. Okay, okay, okay. I feel like I just like dabbled in a pot of paint. Like I'm just so messy right now. Okay, and now for lo and behold, now this Freck Beauty Freckle in the size XL retails for $28. This is what it looks like. There's 2 shades, the natural, and then there's the Freck Noir, which is for medium dark. So what is it? It's a patented formula that creates the long-lasting and most natural looking faux freckles you can get. So it lets you quickly and easily create perfect looking freckles that sink into your skin or foundation rather than sit on top like an eyeliner pencil. Freck Noir is the same formula that broke the internet, now in a deeper, cooler hue, designed for mid to dark skin tones. So we are gonna learn how to do this together. Okay, so lightly apply as the cluster of dots, dipping your brush often. Allow the formula to sit and develop according to your skin tone. Here's where the magic happens. Copy and paste your freckles by tapping them across your skin. Pro tip, aim for lots of space between each tap to create the most natural looking freckles with the quickest application. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna draw a constellation on my face. Like I just want a speck on my hand. Okay, interruption, intercepted. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you just dot it on the hand. So I'm so nervous, guys. I feel like I'm gonna fuck this up. I'm already a shaky person, and when I get nervous, I'm even like trembling. So this is gonna be interesting. Okay. Don't fuck this up, please. Please don't fuck this up. I look so fucking fake right now. This looks so fake as fuck. And it's because I cannot fucking do this normally. My dots were too big. Okay, guys. I'm gonna do my mascara, set my face with my setting spray, and then I'll be right back. Oh my God, back at it again. I am here. I have saved my face, everyone, because it was about to be a disgrace. So talking about Freck Beauty, the Cheek Slime and the Freck XL Original Freckle. Both of these have a learning curve. It's not something you can just like diddle daddle, you know, do whatever. Like, you really have to be dedicated to the product, okay? So I love both of these. These are amazing. Go get you some. I love the lime cheek slime. It's cute. It's like a weird texture. It packs a pigment, but it is buildable, but it's also sheer. Definitely use a beauty blender or a sponge of some sort and do one cheek at a time. Don't be ballsy and do two at once, because then you mess up and you're in a panic. The good thing is if you mess up, it is something you can fix, right? So when I did mess it up, I just sprayed my beauty blender with my setting spray and I just kind of worked it in again. And I didn't have problems with it layering over my skin. It didn't pull apart the powder that I previously had on my face and had set it, right? It's not pushing it apart, breaking down that makeup. It is working on top of it. So it is so stunning. It is so beautiful. I'm not a big blush person, but I do like a subtle touch where I'm just like, ooh, I'm just like 2 degrees warmer than I normally am and I'm getting flushed, right? That's always cute. It's a cute look, okay? And it is a nice matte finish. It does look like it's gonna stay there for till I wash it off. So I'm here for it. Long lasting, love it. This sucker gave me an anxiety attack. I thought I was gonna shit my pants. I was like, Jesus Christ, what am I doing on this fine Tuesday morning? I'm just trying to get my ass to work, and here I am gonna be looking like a little fucking clown with freckles. This one also is super forgiving, right? So again, I would do half of your face at a time at the most, maybe section it off for like a quarter of your face, right? Let it set a little bit and then kind of work it around. The smaller the dots, the better. So I recommend doing more frequent dips into the tube to get more color and kind of speck it out. The bigger ones, as you can tell, don't look as natural, but closer to the nose, it does look a lot better. So there is a learning curve with this one regarding like the look that you're looking for when it comes to freckles. I like more subtle freckles. You can have bigger ones because of course freckles come in all different shapes and sizes. So it's just a cute thing. I think it threw me off too because I've never had freckles. I was like, oh, I look like a doll with freckles. Who the fuck is that clown, Juan? Oh my God, that's what I look like. I look like Lynette the clown from the big comfy couch. Look at this shit. Oh my God. I was doing this shit. I was like, oh my God, this is not natural. I am looking like the fucking clown from PBS 11. It's the big comfy couch. Oh my God, I love that show. God, I have issues. I didn't like them setting as long because again, the longer they set, the darker they get, right? They develop that way. So I wanted, again, something more lighter sheer, just like a little, not like fucking the big comfy couch. Lynette, poor thing. I don't know how you lived your life having your makeup done like that, but you didn't have Freck Beauty back then. Another thing, if you mess up, just take some setting powder and dab it on top, or get a damp beauty sponge, spritz some setting powder and just kind of push it in on top. That will help dissipate and take away some of that color so it's not as pigmented. Outside of that, guys, that is everything I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the shenanigans that I had. I'm on some dumb shit. I need to get my ass to work and just call it a day. All right, I need a drink. Thank you for watching this video, this channel. You are watching Ride or Die with Monia. I am Monia. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe, like this video, and say hi. Yeah, until next time. Bye, guys. Oh, can you kiss me, babe? We're in young, but we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, oh, it's impossible. Na 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 na, like the way you move. Oh, oh, I like the name. I can do the same. I don't all on my tongue, I want it. Oh, I